Well, hey guys, today is the day. The Thrive Life Black Friday sale starts today. Let me tell you about it. Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free, and I'm very excited to tell you about this sale. Best sale prices of the year. Don't miss out on it. Almost everything on the website is on sale. Now, I'll tell you about the sale in just a second, but if you're not familiar with what Thrive Life is, it's premium freeze-dried food delivered right to your door. Now, this is not survival food. This is everyday use, healthy living food that just happens to also make great long-term storage because it has a 25-year shelf life unopened. And after you open it, it has a 1-year shelf life, so it's great for long-term storage as well. Now, if you're not familiar with it, we have a playlist called Cooking with Thrive, and I'll put a link right up here and down below also. We have, 45 or 50 videos in there showing you how we cook with Thrive Life on a daily basis. So if you're not familiar with it, check it out. Now, the sale. This is absolutely amazing. Almost everything on the website is on sale, and let me give you some examples. Chopped spinach, 50% off. Sweetened cranberries, 50% off. Cucumber dices, 50% off. How about blackberries, 45% off. Granny Smith apples, 40% off. Red bell peppers, 40% off. Pepper jack cheese, 40% off. And here's a favorite, ground beef, 35% off. And then the whole list goes down. That's just some of the top ones that I wanted to show you a sampling of it. There's a bunch of them for 35% off, 30% off, 25% off. Now, Thrive primarily sells cans of individual ingredients like this. This is the strawberries. This is the pantry can, by the way. It's a 1 quart. That way you can use all of these cans to make all of your own favorite recipes. You can do your own cooking, just like shopping in a grocery store. But they also have meals like this. This is the breakfast skillet, and it comes in a pack, and they most of them are 3 servings per pack, and they have the meals on sale. They have a couple of different packs of them. They have the holiday meal pack, which is 35% off, and they have the breakfast variety pack, which is 25% off. So that's a great deal. If you've never used these before, they're really delicious. This is a great time to stock up on it at a great price. All of the prices go active today at 9 a.m. Mountain Time, which is 11 a.m. Eastern. And the sale starts today, the 22nd, and runs through the 30th, which is the Saturday after Thanksgiving. Now, I will put a link down below in the description to the flyer that shows everything that's on sale. Like I said, the prices are all on the website, but it's a little bit easier on the flyer because you can see them all on one page and see what the discounts are. So there's one flyer for Canada and another flyer for the U.S. because they're a little different. So I'll put the links to both of those down below. Now, you can also save an additional 12% in the U.S. and 16% in Canada by joining the monthly delivery service, because in the monthly delivery service, if you place an order of $99 or more, you get free shipping, and shipping is 12% in the US and 16% in Canada. Now, the monthly delivery service on a regular month, it's not a sale month, you're going to automatically get 15% off of all prices plus the free shipping, 12%. So in the United States, you're going to save 27% on the delivery on a monthly basis. In Canada, you're going to save 31%. How cool is that? You can't beat that deal. And the delivery service is completely customizable. You can cancel at any time. There's no obligation. You can order more than once a month if you want. You can skip a couple of months if you want. You can place different items in there every month, so you don't always have to get the same thing. To join the delivery service, you just put everything you want into your shopping cart, and then on the checkout page, there's a button or a link there somewhere that says join the delivery service. And if you do that, then you're going to get the free shipping as well. This sale is so amazing. They only do this 3 times a year, so take advantage of this to stock up on your long-term pantry, stock up on your daily use pantry in your kitchen. if you're already familiar with Thrive, you know what a great product it is, and you can stock up. If you've never used Thrive before, this is a great time to start because of these incredible prices. So check out the description for the flyers, and also in the description for my Thrive Life website where you can place your orders. And as soon as you do, I will send you some information. I will text you some information, more information about Thrive. So I hope you were as excited about this sale as I am. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Live simple, live free. You be blessed.